Hey guys, welcome back to AppTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can log in Opal card. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Here you will see register option. You have to click on this and click on yes option. Next, Opal card will ask for your details like Opal card number, security code, Opal card nickname, and click on next. By putting all of your information correctly and following the procedure of Opal card, you will be logged in with your Opal card. So this is how we can log in Opal card.